Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to get the tweaked version of Pokemon Go. I already have it, but I am going to show you how to get it anyways. And here we go. You go onto this website, this exact website, iosem.us. And you go to the home screen. It'll ask you which iOS theme do you want to download, and select this one with the red background and the white A. And then as soon as you download that, you'll go to your home screen and it would pop up over there. You tap that, and then it'll take you into this thing. And then you go to apps. Hold on just a sec. You go to apps, like I said, and it'll tell you with a blue /green check, or a red X. A green check will say signed, and you don't have to have a jailbroken device. And a red X means you have to have a jailbroken device revoked and not signed. And all these, unless you have a jailbroken phone, if you don't have that, then you can just stick to this with me. And down here, it'll just keep scrolling, and it'll come up Tweaked Pokemon Go. You click on that, it'll say redirecting, and it'll take you to this screen. And you hit install. It'll say first you download that, and that will be this app right here, Tutu Helper. Then you go back, and then you'll do the same thing, and then it will say go here and it'll say second. It'll say second. You want to download that, and that will be the tweaked version of Pokemon Go. And then that'll be downloaded, and that'll end up right here. And then you go on to that, sign in, and then this is basically what it will look like. I already signed in because I've done it before, but this is what it will look like. It'll load like it usually does. And this is a really simple process. You don't have to go through surveys or anything. And it'll load, and then it'll take you to the normal.
What we do here is go back.
This is the tweaked version that I'm on right now. I just exited the non-tweaked version. And you go on to the tweaked version. And as soon as it loads, it'll take a few minutes, a few seconds. And after it loads, then I'll show you proof. Okay. I'll show you proof that even if the tweaked version gets taken off and you can't get back on it, everything that you've done on here will still transfer over to your non-tweaked version of your Pokemon Go account. So I will catch a Pokemon and then go to my non-tweaked version and show you that it's there too. So I'm going to go here. I'll get this Machop. He's at that spot right there. So I will walk over there right now. Sorry for this lag. In a minute. Sorry for the lag. But where is it? Where's the Machop at? And sorry about this ad. And where's the Machop? I'm just gonna walk this way. Walk down this way. And I will go over here and I will get the Machop. And then I'll go to the non-tweaked version and I'll show you that it transfers over so that you're not worried that, oh my gosh, it's not letting me on. I just wasted all that time for nothing. That's probably the Machop right there. Yep, there he is. And I will get him, and I will show you that it transfers over. 373 Machop. I'll give him a Raspberry, and I will give him a Great Ball. And crap, that was terrible. And it's right. Okay, that was a great throw. And let's see if I get him. I probably will. Gotcha. Machop was caught. Great throw. Okay, 373 Machop. Okay, we also saw 373 Machop. Go to the non-tweaked version of Pokemon Go. Wait for this to load. Excuse me, and then wait for this to load to the home screen. And then I will go to my Pokemon collection. And the Machop will be right there. And everything that I've done before that on the tweaked version, everything after will still transfer over to here. Unless in the future they take that down, but from right now, as far as I know, it will transfer over. And I'm just doing this to show you proof, so you're not like, oh, it's probably going to delete. Here it is, it's loading. But this says not while driving. And this is actually around the area I'm at right now. And there are no Pokemon around me. Pokemon. Recent. And look at 373 Machop right there. And all these that you saw in the before video. Yep, so that's basically it. And if you want to, leave a like. If you don't want to, okay, but that's the end of this video. And if you want me to make another one, let me know in the comments.